built this panic room. I should have made vents. I'll be all right for a little while. Okay. Should have brought food too. I should have done a lot of shit.
Open up the panic room door! Open up the panic room door!
Okay, but once you're in, you can't come out.
There's zombies!
All right.
There's zombies up there, man. There's zombies up there.
Cool. There's a lack of oxygen and no food in here. If you'd let me finish, I would have told you. You were all
I tried to say, zombie, wait! Hold on!
It's all right.
I'm in a panic state right now. I think I'm using up a lot of the
You
oxygen.
need to tone it down. Tone it down.
Yeah, I'm safer in here. Right?
Temporarily. Momentarily. For a little bit.
So, what's the solution? We just...
Well, if we die in here,
Right, yeah.
nobody gets eaten. Well, one of us will probably eat the other one, because no food. But out there, you're getting like ripped to shreds and like...
Okay, yeah, that's fair.
I promise if you die first, I'll be gentle. When eating you.
Oh, yeah, wait. What else could you be meaning?
I mean, I could tell you, but I don't think you'd want to. Calm down.
I'm trying. I'm really stressed out right now. I think one of them was my dad.
Well, that's life.
So, yeah, well, you got like a deck of cards or something?
Nope, didn't pack those either. No, I literally just built a big room with no vents and said, this will be good.
You want to do some improv or something?
Fuck no, man. Sam.
Hey, somebody
Stop!
I heard somebody say they want to do improv. Yeah. I mean, there's nothing but zombies out there, man. They suck at improv.
You would have thought they'd be pretty good, man.
No, I know. This is the first, like, coherent conversation I've heard in, like, weeks. Let's do some improv. Yes, Sam. Yes, Sam, Mobo.
I am Dr. Jacobson.
What is that? What?
Nurse,
Oh,
I
I
need
shouldn't
a
ask the
scalpel.
question. I have what you need. Yeah. What is that called, Doc? Guys, I'm rusty, all right? I'm sorry. It's been weeks, all right? Could act a little more excited to see me. I mean, it's not like there's a whole bunch of humans running around out there.
Have a
He's gonna die soon. Is that a, hey, are you here?
I bet he wants to do some improv.
Son.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you know what? My dad, he left a long time ago.
I'm so proud of you. And your brain.
What about to say hi?
He goes, Dad, I'm coming.
Give me a hug.
I'm coming, Dad.
Go ahead.
Papa.
It's taking a lot longer than I thought it would.
A lot of them don't have teeth anymore. You know why? Because of me, man. I just be kicking them in the mouth all day long. They're like,
Congrats.
sorry, dude. I've been lonely, man. I don't know.
Hey.
You want to do it in the butt?
And scene.